In this video, we are going to learn filter option in PivotTable Data and how filter option affect PivotTable chart. We have to follow certain steps to fulfill filter option. In PivotTable field, there is a filter section over here. We have to just drag and drop the field in filter section. Suppose I am dragging and dropping here in filter section like this. The moment we drag year option in filter section, we have got year filter in PivotChart over here. And above the pivot table over here. We will select the year, then pivot table and pivot chart will update themselves automatically. Suppose we are selecting 2019. After that, we have to click OK. The moment we click OK, pivot data and pivot chart update themselves automatically. For selecting multiple year, click to filter option, this one, and in that click to select multiple item like this, and then select year which we want. Suppose I am selecting 2019 and 2020. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, see pivot table data and pivot chart update themselves automatically. We can add multiple header also, like I am adding salesperson in filter section but after year, like this. The moment we have add salesperson in filter section with year, sales option also came in pivot chart over here and over here. Now suppose we are selecting year 2019 like this, then click OK, and in salesperson we are selecting Lee, then click OK. The moment we click OK, pivot table and pivot chart has updated themselves automatically. So like this we can use filter option in pivot table and in pivot chart. So do some practice of this filter option in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video.